Chicmas day 1, and honestly today has been just super crazy. I hope you guys are having a great start to December. We actually have got to go because Hubs has a dentist appointment, but we want to get coffee bean and tea leaf. Remember, like last vlog I was talking about the cookie cookie butter, and I really wanted to get one, even though I know I shouldn't because we're going to be opening advent calendars at the end of the evening. Please excuse my skin right now. I don't know if you can tell. You probably can because of the lighting, the shadowing, and everything. I think I'm just like a little bit stressed, so it's really showing through to my skin. And at first I was thinking maybe it was like a hormonal thing. I thought maybe it was like the whole weather change, but honestly I think it's stress because like 2 more just popped up, and I haven't really added anything new to my skincare, so I think it's just stress related. So please just don't mind that. But let me share with you outfit of the day. Jeans again are the Sofia Vergara jeans, which I absolutely love. I know I promised a whole try on video. I'm gonna try to curate that, but I want to make sure all of the items are in stock before I share with you the pieces. And then the belt is from H&M. I think I got this probably about a month ago. And then bodysuit I believe is from Kohl's, but I love the style and the design of this because it just really, you know, kind of sucks everything in. And I love how it has like this little dip right here in the cleavage area, so it's like a little bit sexy but not really. Accessories are pretty simple today. The everyday bracelets that I always wear, and also this Ana Luisa bracelet. It's called the Rowena bracelet. So I'm wearing that. I'm not even wearing earrings today because honestly we have to go, and I want my coffee bean. This is today's outfit of the day. Oh, check out the socks. It's Hello Kitty. I don't even know what shoes we're gonna wear, but we're gonna figure that out in a second. So let's head on out. Okay, so these are the shoes I decided to go with, which are little booties, but I think you can see part of my red sock, so hopefully it's not too bad. Okay. Okay. And the ice water. This whole time I didn't realize there's a coffee bean and tea leaf in this area, which is Westlake. Like I was saying, funny thing is that I always go to the CVS that's like on the other side of here because they always have new makeup weekly, and I never knew they had a coffee bean in this area. I always thought it was in Thousand Oaks at the Oaks Mall or on Avenida de los Arboles in Thousand Oaks. Anyway, let's go get our drink. Hand sanitizer, even though I didn't touch the door. Kick that door open. I'm just kidding. Cool. So they have plastic straws here. The other coffee bean and tea leaf that I went to in Calabasas, they give paper straws, which is great and all, but I mean, let's be real, like after 20 minutes that paper straw is like soggy, so you gotta drink your drink pretty fast. But we got cookie butter. Hubs got an ice blended mocha with a water. Satisfying. You want to try some?
No, oh thank you.
You should try it. You like cookies. Let's try a bit. He likes cookies too.
That's gross.
You really don't like it?
No.
Damn, tough critic. Okay. Alright, on to Hub's appointment. Good luck. I just have to go to the...
I'm telling you, don't wait for my call.
I'm not going to wait.
After 30 minutes, come back over here.
30 minutes? Where's your mask? 30 minutes? You're having some like major dental work. Okay, alright. Wow, the weather is so weird. It's like warm, dry weather. Like my hands feel like they're dried. It's like staticky weather right now. Let's adjust all the mirrors. I literally like pulled the seat up close to the steering wheel. I know that bothers a lot of people, but honestly, like if I don't pull the seat close up to the steering wheel, like I can't reach it. And I know it's not the best thing to do, but I just can't. We're at the post office. I need to get one more flat rate box. So I'm gonna put everything together. We are back at the parking lot of the dentist office because there's so many people commuting right now, and even though I know he's not going to take only 30 minutes, which it's been over 30 minutes already, don't want him to end up waiting, so we're just gonna probably watch some YouTube videos and just chill for a bit. This is going to be our new tea time setup. Sorry, hopefully the bangles aren't too distracting. Let me take them off. Honestly, I am tired. I think it's only 6:30 and I'm definitely a night owl, but last night I think I really pushed it because I slept around 3:30. I woke up at 6 to do the voiceover for the whole decorate with me, because before I went to sleep last night I made sure that I had the whole video edited, and then I did the voiceover at 6 a.m. this morning until about like 8 a.m. which is pretty good for voiceover because it takes me forever to do those normally. Maybe I wasn't overthinking it. There you go. That's why it didn't take me as long as it normally would. So I'm very thankful for that, but definitely now I'm feeling tired and I want to at least get a good night's rest tonight. Let's open our advent calendars. First, start with our first advent calendar, and this is the same exact advent calendar I got last year. This is the English Tea Shop Organic, what is it called? Organic Advent Calendar. Organic Advent Tea Calendar. So it contains 25 loose leaf tea pyramid bags. We also have the Trader Joe's, what is this? The Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Advent Calendar. I have a really big sweet tooth, and maybe it will help stop the craving of me wanting to get ice cream or like eating something sweet after dinner, although we will be eating something sweet after dinner, and I will make it a point to have tea time right after dinner, so at least then I get my cup of tea. Have the Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, and I was so excited to pick this up because popcorn is definitely a household favorite here, so this is something that everybody will like, I guess, depending on the flavor. So let's actually first start with the tea, and let's start with door number 1, which is right here. Oh, I love tea. What is your favorite type of tea? Please comment below if you are a tea drinker, a coffee drinker, or a boba tea lover. This one is called Chai Charge, and I think that's exactly what I need. I need some charge. It smells good. Okay, so this contains organic rooibos herbal tea with cinnamon, cloves, turmeric, cardamom, garlic, and blue corn flour. Okay, hopefully you can see. Actually, I should have already poured the tea so that we could let it steep. Does it say how many minutes to let it steep? 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, and by the way, the teapot. I got this beginning of last year from Hobby Lobby. It's the Bella electric tea kettle, and love this tea kettle. But unfortunately, the other day, this little part right here broke, and it won't, like, it just doesn't work, and I couldn't bear just throwing it away because it's so pretty. It's ceramic, and it's aesthetically, it's a very pretty teapot or tea kettle. And remember from the previous vlog, I was saying I'm looking for a tea kettle or a teapot for Chicmas. I was about to say Vlogmas for Chicmas. Well, this is like the perfect addition because it's pink, number 1, and number 2, we basically repurposed it, right? So I just pour in the hot water in here. We're just going to put it back into the container, and let's move on to the next advent calendar. And this is the Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Liqueur Advent Calendar, and it's chocolate truffles. And door number 1 is right here. I hope we get a good one. And I hope that they're good. I think that's my biggest thing is I hope the chocolates are good. If you've tried this, or if you have this advent calendar, comment below. Or if you guys have an advent calendar, let me know. What advent calendar do you have? Okay, this is actually a really good size. Look at that, it's like tiny. That's guilt-free. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn. I probably should have opened this already, but I didn't. Oh, oh. Merry Christmas from Joseph's. And then here is the advent calendar. This is so cute. Okay, so where is door number 1? Hello, door number 1, where are you? Hold on. You know what? I found door number 1, which is like all the way down here, but let's first try the tea really quickly because it's been a couple minutes already. This is called the Chai Charge. It smells good. It smells like chai tea. Ooh, this is good. Now, normally, if I'm drinking tea, I drink it through a straw, but, you know, it's tea time. We're just gonna drink it straight, just like this. Ooh, sorry. Then let's try the little chocolate. You know, the chocolate from Trader Joe's is actually pretty good. I think that was honey caramel. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and open door number 1 for the popcorn advent calendar. And what do we have? We have here classic caramel popcorn. All right. Wow, I thought I was gonna share with everybody, but I mean, at least the portions are pretty small. Mmm. Well, let me ask my mom. Mom, do you want some popcorn?
Okay.
It's classic caramel.
Oh no, not caramel.
No?
No, thank you, because of the sugar.
Okay. We'll give this to the hubs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for Chicmas Day 1. We are going to just be uploading and vlogging and uploading for the next 25 days. And of course, still incorporating beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. I really appreciate you hanging out today. If you enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed Chicmas Day 1, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 2. Mwah.